Hi, today I'm going to replace the window motor on my passenger door. It seems to be a problem that's fairly common on older cars. BMWs are no exception. So I have the new motor. Go ahead and swap it out. The first step, of course, is to get the door panel off. It's pretty easy. You have a little airbag placard right here that just pulls off. And you also have, right by the handle, two little plastic plugs that similarly just pull off. And then you use a little T20 bit to undo the screws here. There are two by the handle. And one right where the little airbag logo is. Next, kind of remove the trim around the handle. You pull up on the back here and then slide it forward towards the front of the car. That's how it attaches. Once you have that done, the slightly terrifying part, it just pulls off with snaps. It sounds and feels like you're breaking it, but just get around under the side and pull it off. Once you have it all off, just lift it over the lock, disconnect the speaker if necessary, and done. Now when you do this, you might want to inspect these and just make sure none of them are broken. That's a common problem that causes these things to just rattle and come loose, look terrible.